So I definitely want to try something very spicy.
Very spicy.
I want something similar, like what a local would eat, not because they see me and then they tone everything down.
Yeah,
I want to try like,
right.
What's it like, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
What's the real fire like?
Yeah.
Tonight's the night.
We're gonna meet Darrenb3. Darrenb3 is a YouTuber that goes around southern Thailand and shows what the markets are really like.
We've learned so much from him. He's really been invaluable in our research on Thailand and not only what markets to go to, but what islands to go to.
Yeah, so right now we're in Ao Nang. We're right on the coast on the beach, and we're gonna take a Songthaew, which is like a pickup truck, jump in that and head over to Krabi town, which is about a 30-minute ride, we believe. And then meet up with Darren, and we're gonna show you the whole market. We're going to the Krabi town walking street night market. The Songthaews, we can either hail them or you can just jump on at like blue signs, but we don't know what the blue signs say. So we're looking for blue signs to say something, maybe Songthaew, maybe Krabi town, we don't know. We're gonna walk around and figure it out. Even the concrete is fun here. You can bounce on it for some reason. So this is Songthaew to Krabi town. Okay, easy peasy. Jumped on, no problem. Here we go. So that is the bus stop signs that you need to find if you want to go to the bus, to the Songthaews. Songthaew. And then over there is the Krabi town walking street night market that we're gonna go check out. So there are tons of people. It is a very busy market. It's probably the busiest we've been to, I think. And a lot, I'd say it's like 50-50 maybe, tourists to Thai. There's so much food. Wow.
Good?
It's good, yeah.
Yeah?
It's very different than you think it's going to taste, I think, by sight. It does taste like beans, like mashed up and then made colorful.
Yeah.
That's really interesting.
We're gonna try this. Grilled jellyfish with seafood spicy sauce. Okay.
What does it taste like?
Kind of like octopus. I'd say it's chewy like octopus. That's what I would think is the closest thing. Kind of shrimpy, but kind of octopusy. I don't know. Very spicy. The sauce is very good. I tried jellyfish. All right. So I definitely want to try something very spicy.
Very spicy.
I want something similar, like what a local would eat, not because they see me and then they tone everything down.
Yeah,
I want to try like, what's it like, you know? What's the real fire like?
These are rice balls.
Rice balls, okay.
And this is fermented pork.
Okay.
Ao Nang, yum cow.
Yeah.
So she's gonna make it spicy for me so that I can try what spicy's like. All right, here we go. I might be
This one is
sweating.
pretty spicy.
Okay. Woo-hoo. That was a serious scoop. She put like bunches of scoops of the spice, so it's gonna make me cook. We'll see. I might be crying in a minute. Okay. Okay, here we go. It's spicy. It's very good. A lot of lemongrass. Ooh. There's onions and looks like pine nuts, rice, lemongrass, and like a pound of chili.
And fermented pork.
And fermented pork. Ooh, that is so good. It's very good.
It's one that not many people discover, this one.
I'm
Pretty
sure.
well unknown one.
just don't get it in your eyes. Woo. This thing is cooking. It is cooking. I mean, you can see it come. I was already hot. Now I'm on fire. So if you're here, if you're in Thailand, what is this dish called?
This khao yam.
Khao yam.
Khao yam.
And
Rice salad.
Rice salad, but with fermented pork, and ask them for lots of chili.
I think this is the sweatiest you've been the whole trip.
I think so. I think we're gonna get the salted fish. Look at this.
Okay.
Got a salted fish.
So you get a bowl of noodles. Come in 2 sizes. They got big and small.
So then you just choose the sauces. It's kind of like a little restaurant in the corner here.
People were just
Salted
like,
fish.
posing next to them. And I was like,
It's very good. How's yours?
really good.
Very
Nice
good.
and not spicy.
So that was dinner at the Krabi Street Krabi Walking Street Night Market. I never get it right. Everything, as you can see, I loved my fish. Darren and his family are so nice. They were so kind to take us, so thank you so much. And we're gonna absolutely come to Thailand.